All right. The Boko Haram want to wage war with Nigeria. Yeah. This is an unclassified information that have been circulating. But the news medias in Nigeria, maybe they have not gotten the information. Maybe they got it, but they are afraid to say it. But we are going to say it here. The Boko Haram want to wage war with Nigeria. And when I mean these people want to wage war with Nigeria, first of all, ask yourself, what is Boko Haram? Why do they form Boko Haram? What is their mission? Boko Haram believe that they are fighting for the right cause. Boko Haram means Western education is a sin. They believe that the kind of education you are going is a sin. The type of school you are going is a sin to have that kind of knowledge. The knowledge you are supposed to have is just a knowledge of Arabic and that of Sharia. That is the purpose of Boko Haram. And that is why you see Boko Harams are aided, they are being supported by Islamic extremists. Those people who believe that only things that should happen in Nigeria here should be that everybody should just be studying Islamic and Sharia system of education. That is the purpose of Boko Haram. Boko Haram, they were formed, they were invented by Nnamdi Sharif. Nnamdi Sharif said no, that it was Kassim Shettima that formed them. These two people are working free in Nigeria. Boko Haram has been terrorizing to the extent that United Nations named them #2 most dangerous terrorists in the world. And after that, Buhari, who imported and aided the formation of this Boko Haram, started inducting them into the Nigerian military. And he said that these people are repented, that he want to give them amnesty. When they gave the Niger Delta military an amnesty, they did not put them into the military. If you give a terrorist amnesty, it is a crime for you to induct the, the terrorist into the system and call him a military officer. I have been warning this time with that number. If you check my videos that I made last year about the repentant Boko Haram, I predicted this, even though Nnamdi Kanu also predicted this so many years ago, that this repentant Boko Haram that Buhari is bringing into the military, that one day that they are going to challenge the Nigerian system. Nnamdi Kanu says so. And I also predicted last year that these people will all just come as an informant. They will come as an informant and they will just come to make sure that they have intel. They know what is going on from across the nation. And when these people are free, when they are ready to do what they want to do, to capture this country will be very easy for them. You know why? They are in the government, they are in the military, they are in the police. You have helped them with everything. Apart from the vehicles that they have been capturing, you understand last month they capture, armored carrier of the military. They capture it. They have been capturing ammunition and all those things. Now, their strategy, the strategy they use now is a strategy that I've been warning you people about before. I know some people will say, Okocha, how did you know that this thing is going to happen? And that is why I used to tell you that if you have the information I have at my disposal, you will leave this country to the neighboring Benin Republic to seek asylum. Because a lot of things is going on in this country. Now, what these people did, what they did was they allowed themselves, time without number, they allowed themselves, they make sure that these people will be in a very large number. When I mean a large number, they can be up to 10,000, 9,000. They were inducting them into army. And yesterday, these people strike. The whole weapons they bought for them, they ran away with it. They ran away with the whole weapons. So, what are we going to do? And the information reaching us is that these people are preparing to fight war. They are preparing to wage war with Nigerian system. And remember that the ISWAP, the Islamic State province of West Africa, made a shocking revelation before. And they said something. I don't know if I still have the article. They said that by December, they are going to divide Nigeria. Follow me well. ISWAP said December they are going to divide Nigeria. And we are in October. Boko Haram members, so many thousands of them, they have made away with weapons and ammunition that they bought for them as repentant Boko Haram in the soldier. And the information we hear the following day was that these people are ready to challenge the Nigerian system. And these people have been daring government that they can't do anything right from time. Is this country that you people want to, die for? Is this the country you people want to, I don't really know. But you see, I'm just trying to bring out the article where the ISWAP told us that they are going to divide Nigeria by December. And from everything we are seeing today, you can see that nobody knows what is about to happen any longer. Because for these people who are repentant Boko Haram have been inducted into Soja, even though we won, for them to have the guts to run away with guns and vehicles, and the following day they said they want to challenge Nigeria system. Do not be surprised tomorrow you hear that the war has started. This is what we have warned them time with that number. And we have one of the most ugliest presidents. When I mean one of the most ugliest presidents, a president who have vowed that he is not going to talk. A president who have vowed that he's not going to put interest in the affairs of Nigeria. That if he fights insecurity, they are going to kill him. Yes, Buhari said that if he fights insecurity, they are going to kill him. Tell me, now that these people who are causing insecurity want to fight war with Nigeria, what will Buhari do? You know, when we are saying all these things, sometimes some people will not understand what is going on. Some people will just feel like, oh, everything is okay, it's okay, it's okay. You have been surrounded. You have been surrounded. What will happen in Nigeria will shock so many people. What will happen in Nigeria is going to shock a lot of people because they don't know. They don't know. Some persons were asking, when did Buhari say that he don't have interest in fighting insecurity, or if he's fighting insecurity that they are going to kill him? If you are part of the people who asked me question the other day, I want you to listen to Haja Natasha. She was the one that Tinubu told when she was campaigning. When Tinubu was campaigning, Tinubu was asking for help, that this lady should help him to campaign. This lady, in her honesty, was just asking, what are your plans for the northern Nigerians about insecurity? Because we are dying. We are on a death row. Tinubu said, if I have plan for insecurity, they will kill me. I can't fight insecurity. Take a listen.
And Aswaju called me. He says, Hajia, I said, sir. He said, I respect your stance on not accepting the appointment. I said, yes, sir, because I can't be a zombie. I just can't follow you because you said I should follow you. Let me know what you have for us up north. Because if I made a mistake on Buhari, with you, the truth is written on the horizon. So I have to know what you have for us. He said he's in London, that if I can, I should go over. He offered to buy me a ticket. I said, no, sir, I can afford a ticket. And then he said, can I get a hotel for you? I said, yes, that I will appreciate. I took the next Lufthansa to London. I saw him that same night, and we sat. And I said, sir, the reason why I'm not accepting your appointment is because I don't know what you have for us up north. Because in the north, every single person is either waiting to be killed or kidnapped. We can't go on like this. What is your blueprint for us? He told me that he doesn't have anything for us. I said, you mean, sir, you don't have a blueprint? He said, I can't have a blueprint because if I have a blueprint, I'll be stepping on too many toes and they might even kill me. This was what he said.
All right. You hear her very well, right? That Tinubu told her that if he have plan to solve the insecurity situations in Nigeria, that they might even kill him. Then the question people should ask now is, who is that person that have the guts to kill Tinubu? Who is that person that have the guts to kill Tinubu? So anybody that have the power to kill Tinubu, the person must be a very powerful somebody. Believe what I'm saying, eh? So anybody who have the power to kill Tinubu, the person must be very powerful somebody. Almighty. For this one to say that, oh, Tinubu told me that if I have plan to fight insecurity, they go buy me. Who is that person that can kill? Almighty Tinubu, the rugged, the evil-minded Tinubu. Who is that person that will kill him? You people should start asking questions. Nigeria is being led by some people who have rewritten the destiny of this country, and they are about to actualize it. And so many people are still dreaming. So many parts of Nigeria is under siege, including where I am from, where I came from. It's under siege. Villages, many places are under siege. And here we are. the repentant Boko Haram, they just run away with weapons. They run away with ammunitions. And they are challenging the Nigerian system that they are ready to go to war with them. After so many years, we have shouted, we said these people should not recruit Boko Haram members into the military. These people, they have an idea. You can't wipe away the idea. You can't wipe away their thought. They have a purpose why they join the Boko Haram system. They never visited a psychologist. They never go through rehabilitation because people who sponsor them are the one in power. They just put them into the military. And while they were in the military, they were acting like informants, giving information to the terrorists so that the military will not succeed over the terrorists. And today, they have just accomplished their mission. I call it evil mission accomplished because this is an evil mission. Evil mission accomplished. They have accomplished their mission. And there is no two ways about it. For those of you who don't know what is coming, for those of you who don't know what is coming, you better wake up. You better wake up. You know, T.Y. Danjuma told you people that as many of you who will hope on Nigeria system in the police and military to protect you, that you are going to die one after the other, that there is a collusion in the system, that the military are colluding with the terrorists to kill you. Former Minister of Defense said that. I'm not the one who says so, T.Y. Danjuma. So many people who are here to wake up, I pray that Nigeria will not take you unaware. Because I've never seen a country where the system that be the government will just hold, you know, a terrorist will come to them, a terrorist that have been bombing churches, a terrorist that have been wiping, they shot down 2 military aircraft. They have done everything against Nigeria, and you saw they have repented. Come and join into the military. And today they are surprising you. They are surprising you by going away with your weapon. They are surprising you by going away with everything you have. It's not going to be easy anyway because a lot of people will not understand what is going on. But we are here to tell you everything that is going on. Because Nigerian mainstream media, they will not tell you what is going on. They themselves, they are aware. They are aware what is going on. They are aware about the rotten system. They are aware that governors are sponsoring insecurity. They are aware that the people in the government are sponsoring insecurity. I don't need to prove it further. I have proved it time with that number, that the governments are the one who are sponsoring insecurity. Tell me which country does that? Which country does that? Tell me which country in this world will take a terrorist and put it into their military. The other day I was saying that despite I don't support violence, despite I don't support how Israel kill little children who don't know anything in the process of fighting insurgents. However, I said every country should learn from Israel on how to deal with terrorists. You deal with terrorists without mercy. Don't have mercy for terrorists because terrorists will not have mercy on you. Boko Haram members, right from that 2015, 2016, 2017, these people have been doing all sorts of things. They have been hijacking the system. They have been hijacking the system. They bomb churches. They bomb a lot of things. They bomb every time they are bombing. They are killing people. But the issue now is that these people are ready to fight the system now. It go clear for everybody eye. So many people thought that when we come out here to speak that we are playing, we are just talking because we don't like the systems that be. Is there anyone who should not love his own country if his own country is doing well? Everybody should be proud of his country. But how can you be proud to a country that kills you? The presidency is against the people. They sponsor terrorism against the people. Yeah, they sponsor terrorism against the people. And I don't have much to convince Nigerians again that the government today is against the people. How many times did your local government chairman call the whole community because of kidnapping in his local government? How many times did the governor have a press briefing about people who are kidnapped every day? Nigeria don't have data of people who are being kidnapped every day. Nigeria don't have data of people who are dying from insecurity every day. Are you kidding me? This is 2024. See, we are in bondage. I'm sorry to say this, but I must tell you the truth. We are in bondage. The bondage is so tight. They have been able to convince, this is conversion, I call it conversion. The federal government have been able to convert people into believing that this kind of suffering, you wake up, they kidnap you today, you wake up, they kidnap you tomorrow, that is a way of life, that is the system of life. The Nigerian system have been able to brainwash so many people to believing that this is the way of life. Yes, you can wake up and die. That is the way other countries are. That is a lie. That is a lie. I made a video the other day. I said, if so many people in Nigeria will have access to a very good country, 6 months later, then come back, there will be revolution in Nigeria. Because you were born and brought up in Nigeria, you have not traveled. That is adaptation. Yes, in biology, they call it adaptation. A lot of people are adapted to all this insecurity happening. They thought that that is the way of life. So many people who want to live in the villages or where this insecurity is going on, the first thing they do is that they first budgeted money for ransom. How can you normalize abnormalities? How? How can you normalize abnormalities? And look at, the whole country is very calm. That repentant Boko Haram, who have been repenting since they are putting them into the military, that they ran away with the weapons they bought for them, with the vehicles, and they said they are ready to challenge Nigeria. And everywhere is calm. Nobody is even talking about it. Nobody knows what is going on. Oh my goodness. As in, who have bewitched Nigerians? Who have bewitched Nigerians? Nowhere is safe. On Sunday, my friend just went to a neighboring village. He was coming back. Kidnappers opened, all these Fulanis, they opened fire on him. They shot his tire, but he understood that this is about life and death. He did not stop. The whole people following him, they adopted them. Is that the kind of country you people want? Is that the kind of country you want? For me, I think that is not the kind of country you want, where the military will collude. Military are supposed to help you. Now, I want to ask you one question, and I need the answer. If the military and the police are genuinely, mark the statement, if the military and police are genuinely fighting insecurity, do you think that we'll have the kidnapping we have today? Absolutely no, we will not have it. But because these people are accomplices, yeah, they are accomplices. Stay with me.
Taraba is a mini state. It's a mini Nigeria, composed of various ethnic groups living together reasonably peacefully. But the peace in this state is under assault. There's an attempt at ethnic cleansing in this state, and of course in all the riverine states of Nigeria. We must resist it. We must stop it. Every one of us must rise up. The armed forces are not neutral. They collude. They collude. They collude with the armed bandits that kill people, kill Nigerians. They facilitate their movements. They cover them. If you are depending on the armed forces to stop the killings, you will all die one by one. The ethnic cleansing must stop in Taraba State. It must stop in all the states of Nigeria. Otherwise, Somalia will be a child's play.
All right. You see, tell me, why are they kidnapping? Why are they kidnapping? This is the reason why we don't take anything serious in this country. Someone being in the position of authority, T.Y. Danjuma has every information in this country. Chief of Defense Staff, you know who T.Y. Danjuma is, right? He's telling you that the military and the police are colluding with the terrorists to kill you. People are kidnapping. Why are you kidnapping? Why are they kidnapping? That is why Nigeria, they don't take anything serious in this country. They don't take anything serious. They don't take anything serious at all. For them, this is another comedy. But T.Y. Danjuma has been vindicated, even though he's a kind of man that people don't like because of the role he played in then Nigeria. But what he said is the truth. Take what he said and leave him. You will die one by one if you have faith that the military and the police is going to save you. And everything we are saying is just coming to pass. It's just coming to pass. Okay, maybe people will say, oh, all these Boko Haram, they are not serious. What about if they are serious? Do you think there is a place these people are not in this country? I believe that these people are everywhere. I believe that they are everywhere. So if they want to carry out any attack, you know, military, police can stop them. Military and police can stop them. We are in bondage and we are in trouble.